Kubik tamhle už cvičí, jinak jsme dorazili s Kubikem tady na nový parkourový park, co tady postavili v Liberci. Není to vlastně jenom parkourový park, ale jak vidíte, tak je to spíš jako takový workoutový hřiště, kde vlastně jsou i nějaký stroje na posilování. A samozřejmě naše zóna je tady vzadu, parkourová, takže v dnešním videu ji půjdeme otestovat, jak to vypadá. Konečně aspoň nějaký malý parkour park tady v Liberci. Tak se jdeme na to podívat. Let's go.
Stay hard like an erection. I'm burning suckers, so wear protection. Now who's next when Ed's flexing? I'm the bread and you are just a crumb off. Jerking your Jimmy, but you still can't come off. I'm from Roxbury, the berry.
S Kubikem máme další challenge teďka. Two step, 180 a dopreta semhle. Aspoň z jedné nohy, pro mě lépe s obou nohou bych chtěl, ale já zkusím jenom odrát. Tak to musí být jak nic.
Living directly on grooving sounds. At first you didn't know us, but now it's like you put me down. We didn't get in there so you can get in with us. You wasn't down when we was riding the bus. So put on your Adidas and step off. I got to have it. Oh, yeah. No need for me to run away. Brother, put the gun away. You wanna take my life away as if we were in combat. You can buy some new Adidas, but you can't buy my life back. Hey yo, what's up with that? Why is it like that? Let's stand together, y'all, and fight that in a race. To replace waste with a taste, just in case you can't face the place that you've been put in. If you was my kid, for what you did, you have a foot in. Right in your ass. Another term's rectum. Kids are having kids, they're not parents, so they let them do things that shouldn't be done. You're not a father cause you got a son unless you're taking care of them.
Tak, máme tady další challenge a to je tady přes tu zítku udělat z místa konga do ketlíku. Je to docela, z místa je to docela daleko, ale s rozeběhem, který tady není, by to šlo. Takže jdeme z místa. Takže z místa to bohužel nedáme, takže to zkusíme aspoň s tím rozeběhem, tím krokem navíc. Ano.
Shoes B, I don't have to pump jumps or clock G's. It's my turn to go, and I got the right away. You gotta fight your way to see another brighter day, but that's another subject. You like it or you love it. JLS, get jealous, no push, but I'ma shove it. But regardless, when times are hardest, I cleaned off the dirt, cause they needed a polish. When you're in like food in your stomach, they wanna stick with you. But when you're out like Elvis, they wanna dick you. But hey, that's okay, cause we kept on striving. And even when T lost his car, we kept on driving. You had your chance to advance, but you blew it. Now ask yourself this question: do you like the way I do it? I got to have it.
Tak, teď tady máme takovou jednoduchou challenge, ale možná pro někoho těžkou. A to je tady po těch pozemních překážkách se dostat vlastně z jednoho konce až tamhle na druhý a konec je na té lavici.
Hey yo, it's natural for me to flow as I do. Get crazy fever, never front on my crew. Yeah, straight to the heart. It got to be real, can't be faking no moves. Yeah, true to the skill. Coming correct, go to check with my rep. Getting props on the slide, yo, it's quiet as kept. And hide around, cool around and do my thing. Mess around, joke around, then I'll swing. Kicking grooves with my troops, what I bring. Yeah, I feel young buck and ain't a damn thing change. Never roll with snitches, stay away from ditches. Head stays level, never burn no bridges. A shorty getting ill, ain't a brother can handle. Cause like the 5 pillars of Islam, I'm natural. I'm back with the natural flow. This is my intro, so watch how I go. Bro, from the grill, all real, no faking. Check the skill I give, coming nowhere but my head. No imitations, I'm true. To the game, I must say I'm not new. I don't talk it all, parts I'm playing like a real tough. But I'm above to get snuffed. Putting flavor on wax to get on the map. No other rappers in mind when I attempt to write a rhyme. From my insides, I'm going with the flow. I'm in this to get to the top, not for the dough. Give me a medal. because I'm on a